What's the meaning of burglar? Burglar. Burglar.
Burglar. Burglar. The term burglar refers to a person who illegally enters a building or property with the intention of stealing valuable items. Burglars often operate at night when the occupants are typically asleep, and they may use tools such as crowbars or lock-picking devices to gain entry. The consequences of being caught burglarizing can range from fines and community service to imprisonment. Additionally, burglary can leave victims feeling violated, vulnerable, and unsafe in their own homes. It is important to take appropriate measures to protect one's property and report any suspicious activity to local authorities.